Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. All right, here's the thing, right? For years and years, we've had this table sitting here, and it sits 6. I have 2 additional. You want to go outside? Okay, come on. I have 2 additional chairs in the garage. Move. But I'm not loving the round anymore, right? It's summertime. It's time to make some changes. So I went over to Goodwill, and I just happened to see a tall table, taller, square. Only had 2 chairs, and I actually saw another one today that was the same price, but it was a rectangle that had 4 chairs. It would have fit much better chair wise, but I need to make some changes. It's summertime. It's time to get a few things done, and I need to make a few changes. So I really don't have anywhere for this table to go in my garage. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on the front porch with its chairs. And that way I would have a place to kind of sit out and read Bible, or, you know, because it's summertime, have some coffee out or whatever, just for now. And the lady who gave it to me, I'm going to ask her if she wants it back. Typically, she likes her things back because she has other people she might want to give them to. But for right now, I don't have anywhere in my garage for it to go. So in order for sister and I to have us a new little kind of setup, because, you know, Jack's going off to school and all the things, I'm going to take a minute, because my house right now is in a situation. I got the table in the living room, this one in here. I need to vacuum and sweep up real quick before I move something in and move something out. And then I've got laundry, a ton here, and some that needs to go in the dryer. So lots of things to be done. We got dishes from meal prep that needs to happen. And so this is a lazy Sunday of doing all the things. Anywho, just thought you might want to come along, hang out with us. Maybe you do, maybe you don't. But we're bringing you along anywho. So let me get this phone plugged up because it is dying. I'm going to eat something real quick, and then I'm going to jump in and do all of the things. All right, I have done a few things except what I was supposed to do. So I'm going to go grab the outside broom, sweep off the front porch, and then sister and I are going to get this kitchen table out of here. Then I'm going to vacuum in this kitchen so that we can get the new table in here. I'm going to pledge it down, wipe it down real well, and put the 2 chairs. We only have 2 chairs, but it's just going to be her and I after Jackson goes off to school. And we rarely sit down for family dinners anymore because they are usually not in the house. It's just me usually. But anywho, we'll let the dogs out, grab the outside broom, sweep off the front porch, and move this table. Alrighty, y'all, so I have the table set up. I got the other one outside. We just pledged everything, brought it in. It only has the 2 chairs for right now, but like I said, so far that's going to be enough for sister and I. And it's much smaller, so it gives a lot more space around, which is what I need. And I'm getting ready to fold some laundry. So that's where I'm moving to now before I get some food done in the kitchen. Alrighty, y'all, we've been in the garden doing a few things, and now we're in the kitchen. All right, So I'm going to put you guys up on a tripod and show you what I'm working with. And finish up a few things. It's 8:15 and I need to be really done right now. But I'm going to show you what I got and how we're using this. All right, sister's making her lunch for tomorrow. Now in this pan is all peppers. Now the red and the orange peppers did not come from our garden. They came from the grocery store before my garden started producing. But now they have started producing. So we have bell peppers from our garden, sweet banana peppers from our garden, and poblano peppers. Those are the really, really dark ones. And so I have some left, and I'm going to stuff these. So I'm going to take the tops off, and I'm going to stuff these with turkey, cauli rice, and I'm going to do just a tiny bit of cream cheese to bind it all together. And I'm going to put those in a pan that we can go ahead and cook. Well, actually, I'm going to put them in a Ziploc bag. And we're going to use these peppers just this week if we want to do like fajitas. I have some chicken breasts. And I almost said, well, I'll do it tomorrow, but today is tomorrow. I am going to pre-season these. And the reason I'm not cooking the turkey with the peppers is because I may not want peppers in every piece of turkey. I may want it with some chicken or something else. So I want to just cook it all now, and then I can divide it out later if I want to do it that way. Sister made turkey with spinach. Is that right, sister? Okay. So I'm going to get these cooked now, then I'm going to throw my turkey in, and I'm going to do the cauli rice and the turkey together, because that way it'll help me easier with the stuffing.
Let's make something. Let's go from homegrown to homemade. You guys, today I'm using my homegrown poblano peppers, and I'm going to make a future meal. That's right, I'm going to take these homegrown poblano peppers and I'm going to stuff them. I'm browning up some ground turkey while also chopping up some tomatoes that are also homegrown. And then I added in 2 bags of cauliflower rice. Now I'm going to take that stuffing mixture and I'm going to stuff it inside of these peppers. I added in a little bit of cream cheese. You can add in whatever cheese you like. I'm going to freeze or flash freeze the peppers overnight, and then I'm going to put them in my Ziploc bag. This is going to make later on in the week meals much easier because I'll have just the right serving size for a single serve or a family serve. It's always exciting to me when I can take something that I put my hand to growing in my garden and use it for a home-cooked meal.
We got to get farther than that, but
Indeed. Morning, y'all. Welcome back to the vlog. Okay, so here's what we're doing. Mr. Richard is here. That's Mr. Richard. Say hi, Mr. Richard. Mr. Richard is Amanda's mom. You've probably seen my nephew Shane and my niece Elena. They've been over here a ton. And Mr. Richard's going to put up, I've got an awning that came from Vevor Homes, and they're going to, in order for the awning to go up so we can have more shade in this area, see, I've put the Vevor tent up, and then I got another couple table and chairs and stuff. So we're really trying to make this a seating area as best as we can until I can actually rip all this grass out and put sand and some pavers and all the stuff out here. That's not my testimony at the moment. So in order to put that awning up, he's either going to have to drill into the side of my house, which I don't love, but Mr. Richard decided to do some posts. So he's made this little frame thing, and he's going to actually cement it into the ground. Let me turn it around so you can see. So he made like this frame. He's going to attach the awning to that top part, but that keeps from putting nails and moving the siding and all that stuff in the side of the house. I do need to get it pressure washed. I haven't done that yet, but I will. But Mr. Richard was able to get this put together. And then once he gets the cement done, Quickcrete, he will come back tomorrow and then attach the awning part. Jackson will come out and help him when it's time to lift this, or I'll help, or whatever the case is. We're going to be fine to do that. But we're actually going to put that awning up so that it comes down, and then we'll be able to have some seating and all different kinds of things out here, so people will be comfortable when they come over. And we are actually going to be redoing, I am going to put sand in this area right here where the grills are, so I can level that out a lot and make sure that the grills are level. And then we'll have additional seating and different things. Mr. Jerome came and cut the grass yesterday, but he did not cut in the tent. We'll do that, no problem, with just a little weed eater, or we'll put the electric robot in there. But anywho, that's getting done today. I am also cleaning in my bedroom and just decluttering and getting rid of stuff because I just got too much stuff. I'm actually going to step out into the garden real fast just to make sure I can see anything. It only rained slightly, not as much rain as I need. I need a ton more rain. I've got beans I need to come out here and pick. Oh, I've got beans. Mr. Richard, do you like green beans?
Oh, yeah.
I'll pick you a few.
Okay.
I got honeybees, which are a good thing. I came out and pruned tomatoes the other day, which was a good thing. And so yeah, it's all gonna do well. My pole beans are starting to come in, so that's gonna be real good. I'll come out here and pick Mr. Richard a few beans since he is helping me out, and I'll pick a few, just a little take this home to your house kind of situation and see what happens. Oh, I got a tomato that's coming on nice. I'm gonna pull that off. My patty pan squash is coming in good. I got 2 of those. So I've got a tomato. I'm gonna go in the crop cage real fast. Let's go in the crop cage real fast. Vevor Homes has done a real good job of helping to make sure our garden is all the things, right? They have helped me by sending me lots of things. And actually, tomorrow's going to be a better day for Jackson and I to come out here and really do some stuff in the garden. I just actually need to come out and spend a lot of hours out here. I spend time out here, but I need to spend a lot of time out here and really get my life together. Because I like a, whoops. Oh, bless it. Oh, golly gee. Break my leg. I like my garden, but I like it to be clean. I like it to be nice. I like it to be, and I know that all gardens aren't, pristine and all the things, but I think it can be. And so I'm going to do my level best to make it the best I can. So not to mention now that I'm picking tomatoes, that Mr. Richard is here. Today is also dorm room selection day for Jackson. And there is a selection process and a time that they have to be available to pick. So our time is noon. It is almost 10 or just about 10 or a little bit after 10. So it's not time yet to start picking, but we will start picking at noon. So I'm trying to make sure that everything I need to get done is done, and that there's a wasp in here that I'm trying to get out. And he does not want to come out. He wants to stay in. Or maybe it's a bee. I don't know. Okay, let me put this phone down before I get stung by something and pick what I can for Mr. Richard and then move along.
We'll start picking it up from the top. What we want to do is just try to hold it back a little bit until we get it closer to the house, because what it's going to want to do is it's going to want to set up against the side of the house. And the foundation is right below that. So it might fight us a little bit until we get it all the way up. When you're ready. All right, keep going. Keep going. All right, pull your leg back a little bit if you can. Yeah.
Towards you, yeah.
There you go. All right, just ease it in slow. Ease it in slow. Come on, baby. See there. Oh, you know what.
go. He's gonna.
Really good stuff.
And this must be the awning.
I'm a left-sided model.
Oh.
You right side.
Oh, I could use the button. Look at that. Well, would you look at that? Now I just got to put my little robot vacuum out here. I mean, my robot lawnmower.
Is that what that is?
Yes, sir. It is. I'm going to get the kids
You got
to.
that good sponsorship, didn't you?
I did.
Okay, are we out to, I don't want that to go too much further.
Does this need to be?
No, this is,
That's out of pretty decent ways. That's decent.